and welcome to my e-lesson. Today I am going to tell you an important formula in Excel, that is Daverage. Now what is Daverage? Daverage allows you to take out the average of a specific column based on criteria that you give. Now criteria can be multiple. It will also teach this formula. I will also teach you this formula in two ways. First, by syntax, that is the main part, that is uh, the thing which I like the most, and second is by going to the formula tab and doing the fx function. But before going to this, we have to understand something, because by this it will be easy for you to understand the formula. Now Daverage would only work if the data is presented to Excel in specified manner. We have to create a database for that. Like here I have made a database. These are the name of trees: apple, pear, cherry, apple, pear, apple, and these are the height, these are the age, yield and profit from the trees. So here also I have made a small table, that is field name, and same remaining things are the same: trees, age, yield and profit. But in second row I have made criteria for apple, and that should be greater than 12. So by using this formula I will be telling you how you can get the Daverage, that is Daverage for apple that should be greater than 12. Let's delete it. Okay. As earlier also I have told you in every formula that in Excel equal to is the must when we use a formula. Equal to Daverage, okay, parenthesis open. Now what it is saying? Database, this is the database. I am selecting it. See, all the information is coming down. Now comma, field means this portion, F9, again comma, criteria is we want the information for trees of apple, and that should be greater than 12. So I am selecting it and bracket close. 12 is the Daverage of apple trees. Now let's do it with the another portion, formulas, fx Daverage, Daverage, okay, yes, here is it. Okay, now database is the portion, like all the things. I'm selecting and automatically it will be highlighted over there. Yes, see. Now field, clicking over here, field, F9, criteria, this is, yes, now okay, 12, yes, great. Now see how your work will be easier by using this Daverage formula, and it will be very useful. Yes, I do agree this formula is bit difficult for those who are new to Excel, but practice makes man perfect. But by doing the practice you can make your work easy, and it will be easier for you to learn Excel. It will be, if you do practice in Excel, you will love doing Excel. You can learn many more things in Excel. If you like the videos, please do subscribe us or subscribe our channel. Thank you.